Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a headphone on Tinkercad. So first, I'm going to show you the work plane. So now I'm going to pick a work plane. I will pick the top work plane. I'm going to click sketch. And then I need to click my plane. Once I've clicked my plane, I need to use a 3-point arc. Very important. Then I'm going to stretch it up all the way over again. Now I'm going to get into a headphone shape, and then I'm going to do the same thing over again. But I need to make it like the same size, like in the difference. So I'm going to put it here and there. And now I'm going to use a line to connect both of them. There, one's done. Next one, I'm going to connect it to make it a full, so I can extrude it. And done. I have extruded. I can do that. Now, what I should do is I'm going to extrude it to make it look like more headphone-ish. And I'm going to click symmetric, so that way it's like symmetrical in the middle. So now that's perfect. I'm going to click there, and now I'm going to click filler. I'm going to fill it, and I'm going to use that. I'm going to use that, but it looks like there. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to do the other side, do that. Well, it's having some problems, so I'm going to minus this, and I'm going to just click on that part, and hopefully I can click on this part, but no, I can't. So there, I have a really proper, but then you're asking, what about the bits to actually give you the sound? Where do you put them? That's where something really handy comes in. The plane. Not the plane in the sky, but this one. The plane here. And I'm just going to move it here. Oh no. I'm gonna now I'm going to just move it back, and I'm going to just make it move like that. Oh no. Closer. Exact touch point. There. Now I'm going to click yes, and now I'm going to make the circle shaped headphone for this part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click sketch. I'm going to click this one, and I'm going to click center point circle. Now I'm going to put it exactly here, make it big, nice and big. That's big enough. Next I'm going to do the same thing as I did for the plane. As this one, I'm going to click the thing called plane. I'm going to click it, I'm going to move it, and I'm going to get it to an exact touch point so that it doesn't break and stuff. So this is perfect. So now what I'm going to do is once I've done that, I'm going to click right, and I'm going to do the same thing by clicking sketch, and I'm going to use the center point of my circle here, and I'm going to make it exactly the same way. So next is something that's pretty interesting. You have to extrude it. So okay, that's easy. Extruding something. We're going to extrude this one too, and make it symmetric so that it there. But then I'm going to do something pretty interesting. Once I've done that, I'm going to go zoom in, and I'm going to click sketch, and it would ask me, and I can click this part, and it makes a sketch for me. So now it's now we click the point here, and we look for a tiny square that if it appears anywhere. So there. And once I've done that, I'm going to do it to the other side too again. You will know why. Yeah, but at this point it's like really interesting. So now I'm gonna look for the point. So I'm going to click on point, and I'm going to look for it. And once I've done that, I'm going to click hold, and I'm going to click this. And yeah, that's way too big, but maybe 3-inch depth is not that good. So maybe I'll put 1-inch depth, which makes it a bit more, maybe 0.7 maybe. I'll take that as a good point. But it looks like it's just pointing out. Maybe 0.5. And you're just pointing, just pushing out 0.4 inches there. And it's simple and blind. And a 2-inch, 1-inch diameter. Okay. 1.5-inch diameter. No, 1.5-inch diameter. Okay, yeah, that's big enough. So next, I'm going to do the same thing for it. This one right here. And it does the same thing. And so that's how you make a really good headphone on Onshape. So bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Bye. I don't think we'll hit like 200 subscribers by the end of the month, but maybe by the end of the year. And apparently only around 36% of people have only subscribed. And come on, I'm working so hard on these videos. Can you please subscribe? Please. Because there's like 63% left and I've already reached 200 subscribers. I've already reached like 100 subscribers. I could reach like 100,000 if you all subscribe. So bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Bye.